We are in Verona, which has been described as one of the most romantic cities in Italy. Now if you're visiting Verona and you're arriving via the train station, if you're not taking lots of luggage and you're staying in the centre of town, don't worry about catching a bus or booking a taxi. We walked into the city and it took us about 15 minutes.
Verona is very well known as being the setting for one of the most famous stories of all time. I say stories because it's a play, it's a movie. You can guess it's Romeo and Juliet.
So legend has it, if you rub Juliet's right breast, it'll bring you good luck and help you find your true love.
If you're in need of some relationship advice, you can actually send a letter to Juliet right here at her house, and her secretaries will send you an answer. It's just like in the movie Letters to Juliet. Really sweet.
Newlywed couples, if you have a spare 5,000 euros floating around, you can spend your first night of your honeymoon in Juliet's house. So to finish off our afternoon, we have joined a food and wine tour with wonderful Verona. So for the next 2.5 hours, we'll sample some local food, maybe drink a wine or two, and this is how organised they are. You also get your own wine cooler.
Verona's a really easy city to walk around. It's casual, calm and relaxed. Base yourself here or start here in beautiful Market Square. People have been meeting here for over 2,000 years.
So once you've finished your red wine and some local cheese, the last part of your tour, Jessica, is
Castel San Pietro
what she said.
with Amarone wine, the best wine, the king of the wine.
Yes!
Cheers. Salud!